In this tutorial video, I will simply show you how you can actually add Instagram story highlights. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video, I will show you the way and how you can actually very easily add the highlights to Instagram story. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. First of all, I will just go ahead and then open the Instagram app, and to add a highlight, we will just come to our profile page. And as you can see, in my case, I currently have just one of the highlights available. So if you want to add more highlights to it, all you need to do is tap on the little plus icon which you see. And once you tap on the plus icon, you can select the stories which you want to add to your highlights. So just go ahead and select some of the stories which you have uploaded in the past to actually add them to a particular category on your highlight. And once you've done that, tap on the next button on the right hand corner, and you can also enter a name for this highlight right over here. If you want, you can also choose a cover photo for your highlight. Just tap on the edit cover button and just go ahead and choose a random photo from within the highlight section and just tap on the done button. Tap on done and these changes will be successfully saved. So as you can see, we have created a highlight of all the stories in the past. But let's say that I currently upload a random story over here and that you want to upload that story to your highlight. So first of all, I will upload this story right like this. Once the story has been uploaded, I will show you how you can add them to your highlights. So we will simply wait until the story has been successfully uploaded. So I will just open it up, as you could see over here, and let's say that this is actually posting. If you want to add this to a highlight, just tap on this little highlights button which you see at the bottom right corner. It will ask you on which highlight you want to add. You can select a new one or you can choose one of the existing ones over here. Once you choose one of the existing ones, as you can see, it has successfully been added to highlight over here. And this is simply how you can add Instagram story highlights. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.